Hey guys, today I will show you how to buy and sell tokens on Uniswap with MetaMask. First, open the MetaMask app, unlock it, then tap the little browser icon at the bottom. In the address bar, type app.uniswap.org and hit go. Wait a second while the Uniswap site loads. Now tap Connect Wallet, choose MetaMask and approve the prompt. You are connected and ready to trade. To buy a token, tap the large swap box. In the From field, leave it or pick another token you want to spend. In the To field, tap Select Token, search for the coin you want, then tap it, enter the amount you'd like to buy, check the details, then tap Swap. MetaMask pops up, tap Confirm to send the trade. To sell a token, back in the swap screen, tap the arrow circle to flip the direction. In the top field, pick the token you want to sell. In the bottom field, pick it or another coin you want to receive. Type the amount, review the numbers, then tap Swap and confirm in MetaMask. After a short wait, the trade finalizes on the blockchain. Your new balance now shows in MetaMask. That's it, quick and simple. Thanks for watching and be sure to like and subscribe for more easy crypto guides.